Okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 12:55.
Okay, Google, what day is it?
It is Tuesday, the 23rd of October 2018.
Okay, Google, thanks.
No problem.
At first glance, you may think that this is just another gimmicky smart home device. This is Google's all new Google Home Hub. And today we're going to take a quick look at it and see how it helps you throughout everyday life, as well as some of the features and some of the best specs that it has. It's the Average Tech Guy. Let's jump into it. So looking at it right now, we're seeing the ambient display. This is just the basic clock that comes on whenever it's just sitting idle. But when you want to wake it up, okay, Google, play me a song.
Playing some music on Google Play Music.
Okay, Google, music off. So that's how you wake it up. And once it's awake, this is your actual home screen. Now, to do some of the things that we actually talked about a little earlier, as far as controlling lights and controlling some of the settings on the actual device, here we go. Swiping down gives you control over your home. Lights, media can be played on different TVs throughout Chromecast, and we can also broadcast messages on our other Google Home devices throughout the house. When we swipe up, we can control our dimness and our brightness, and we can control our volume right here. We can also control our volume from the back. There is a volume rocker right here, up and down. There's a mute right here. Speakers are built into this gray foamy area right there. So we have that great ambient display. We have the light sensor right here. We have the dedicated mics right here. Let's try a few things and see what it actually will do. Okay, Google, what's the weather like today?
Today in McDonough, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 71 and a low of 45. It's currently 66 and mostly sunny.
So you get that nice interactive background with the birds chirping, things of that nature. That is a pretty awesome little feature that they have right there going on. I'm going to turn the screen down just a little bit so that we get a better picture on our camera. With the brightness so high on that, it was giving us a little dimness in the background. So there we go. And it goes back to that home screen. Once you swipe over, it gives you top stories. It gives you YouTube. It gives you Google Play Music. It has videos. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, Google, find Average Tech Guy on YouTube.
Here you go.
Boom. There we go. So it's really specific. This is one of my latest videos.
Hey, what's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here. Today we're going to be doing a quick comparison between the Google Home and the all-new Amazon Echo. This is the Echo Plus.
Okay, Google,
the second generation.
Stop video. And it is very accurate. So it stopped the video. It did exactly what I wanted it to do when I asked it to do it. This is definitely not a gimmicky type device. I feel that this is an all new category that is coming about. There are actually 3 of these out right now. One by Google, one by JBL, and actually one by Lenovo. And when I get a chance, I'm going to try to pick up some of the other ones just to test them out and put them head to head against the Google. Nothing watering it down. It runs Google through and through. I know Lenovo has its own little thing in it, and I'm not sure about JBL, but this is Android product through and through. So I want to test this out against some of the other smart hub devices. But let's try one more test before we get finished. And that test is going to see if a Chromecast engine is available in this one. So let's do that. All right, so let's try, what do we want to play? Let's play.
Excuse me while I let out some air.
Okay, I'm not going to play too much because I don't want any copyright issues, but we can see that there is a Chromecast engine built into this. I was able to cast it to this device, and you can actually play movies on here. So it is not one of those little gimmicky things that is going to come and go fly by night. This device, I think, is its own category, and it is here to stay. Hopefully this helps someone. You know, the price range on this one is going to be about $150. You can pick them up at any of your stores, your Walmarts, your Targets, your Best Buys, any of those places. Go check it out. Put your hands on it. Check my video out. I actually did an unboxing and an initial impressions. You can go and check that out. I'm going to leave a link below and let you be able to check that out right there in the description. Be sure and give me that thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure and subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.